my lovelies, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome my love, welcome. So in today's video I am doing a living room tour, just with everything that I have going on in my living room so far. So I am in the process of just like redecorating my entire home. I did start with my living room, and I wanted to kind of show you guys what I have as of right now. I do plan on just purchasing a few other decor items, such as like an accent chair, and I want to get a chandelier, I'm not sure. But in today's video I wanted to just show you what I have so far. So starting off with my sofa is from Ethan Allen. It's called the Arcata sofa, and it's like a 95 inch sofa, and it's in the color cloud. Like, I am not sure why I decided to get like a pure white couch. I think it's mainly because like both of my couches that I had before were like a different color. One was like emerald green and the other one was like a light blue. So I did want to get something that was like, you know, a neutral tone in color and just switch it up a bit. Of course, the white, you can see like any and all stains that do show up on it, but it's easily cleaned with this type of fabric and it's super comfortable. So I absolutely just love this couch. You may notice this rug, I originally had it in my bedroom. I just thought it would look really nice in the living room. And of course, since I, you know, am planning with my colors of being like black, tanned, white, I thought that this rug really went well in this living room. So I decided to just go ahead and place it in here. I did find this rug at Rugs USA, and so far it's really just been holding up really nicely. My coffee table has been my most recent purchase. I did a video on just giving ideas on how to style the coffee table. Definitely make sure you go check that out at the end of this video. And I love this coffee table. I did say it was a marble in my last video. It's kind of like a faux like concrete kind of material, but I absolutely love it. I love the sturdiness of it. It looks 10 times more expensive than what it actually was, and it just holds up really nice. On top of it, I'm just showing you, I have this white, I guess it's like a concrete bowl as well. I found that at home. I have my vase with some greenery inside of it, and then I have this little box that I absolutely just love. I don't know what to put in it yet, but I just love having it just around the house. And on the other side of the table, I do have like my marble tray, and on top of it I have a candle, some coasters, and my little whip cutter, my match cloche, and these beautiful peonies. Like, peonies are my absolutely most favorite flower in like the whole entire world. Like, Costco had them, and I just had to get like 2 bouquets of them. I love them. They're opening up so nice, and yeah, they just make me feel really good. So I decided to place them on the coffee table, and then I just put just 2 little candles on the side as well. Also forgot to mention my crystals that I have inside of my bowl. Like, I actually love collecting them. Like, I love having them like all together. Like, crystals also make me feel like really good. Moving on to my console table. Like, a lot of you have been loving this console table, and you are in your right mind, girl, because this thing is even so much better in person. Like, I love this piece here. Like, I feel like I can just kind of place it anywhere. Like, if I wanted to use it as a credenza, like in my living room, my dining room, it would be perfect. I styled it really simple, pretty much. I don't even think I styled, I just kind of like placed stuff in there. I have Me and the Hubsters wedding album in here with a really nice candle on the side, and then on the bottom I just have like a bowl with coffee table books and just a few other accessories in here. Nothing major. I love the way it closes, like it's a soft close, so you know no one would be like just slamming your daggone console table around, you know, when they're going to open it. But it's just a really nice. I love the wood piece of it. I love like the sturdiness and just the luxury of it. On top of it, I do have like my Tom Ford coffee table book and some white beads that's kind of like dripped over on the side of it. And I have like a pedestal bowl that I did find from CB2. I got that, and then on the other side I just have a few other accessories. On the other side, on the top of the console table, I do have like my remote box. I just placed this bronze knot on top of it. Didn't know where else to put it, just placed it right there. And this lamp is just like totally temporary. I needed some light in my living room. We don't have any light. Like I mentioned, I do want to get like a chandelier, but needed some light, so I did place this lamp on this side. Not ideal, but yeah, your girl needed some light. Now I'm moving on to this modern full-length mirror. It will just complement and upgrade any space almost like immediately. So I purchased it from Wayfair. It's in the size like 83 by 48, and it is absolutely huge. I got it in the black finish, and I just love this mirror. You may also recognize these, I want to say they're like mauve, like brown, I guess, ottomans. I originally had them in my office. So y'all, your girl no longer has an office. So my oldest daughter, she will be coming home with a baby. So she'll be taking on that room. So I decided to just kind of bring these down here, just place them on the side. And y'all, look at this baby right here. Like, I absolutely just love this plant. Also the planter, I got the planter from Crate and Barrel, and I also got the plant from Crate and Barrel as well. Had to get that when it was on sale. And one of my besties recommended I place it over on that wall right there, and it definitely looked really nice. I had it originally where the ottomans were, and it definitely just opened up that space right there. Definitely complements the living room. And moving on to these like 100% most loved Amazon curtains, like of all times. Like, these linen curtains are, I think, like everyone's favorite. They are so nice. They have a little bit of sheer to them, but they also kind of work really well with like blocking out the sun. And I have like a gold curtain rod on it, and I have like black rings, y'all. Don't talk about me. But I could not find the gold ones, but I think it looks really good on the wall, as on the window as well. So I have actually like two sets of curtains. I have like one set in the middle, then I have like one half and then the other half on the other side, and I just have like one set on that window right there. And I just love how the living room is looking so far, just kind of giving you guys like a full-on view of how everything is looking. So excited about just kind of like decorating some more, just adding a few more pieces, and just how everything is turning out. Like, let me know what you guys think below in the comments. Yes, I absolutely just love this. I had to give y'all another shot of these peonies because like I'm so pressed. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.